So we are currently in the beauty supply store. Look at this, so cutesy. I'm just going down the makeup aisle to NYX. Now we're going to scavenge and we're going to look at all of these. Hey guys, it's your girl Char, and I am back with another video. And today we are going to do a beauty supply store haul, and we're going to try some lip combos out today. So the bag is secured. And we're going to show you guys everything that I got. So I have been really wanting this since I started doing makeup. I feel like it'll be really helpful. So I got me a beauty fan. Yes. I'm gonna set this up. Let's see. I think it's like USB powered, but it's like really cutesy. Like, so when I'm setting my face, I won't have to do the bird, you know, looking like a bird. I can just pull this out all cutesy. Yeah. But that is the one thing that I have. My God. The bill. Oh my freaking gosh. I spent so much money in there. It's like the beauty supply store has gotten so much higher than what it used to be. But my favorite beauty supply store brand is Ruby Kisses. So a lot of the things that I got has been from Ruby Kisses. I got their contour and bronzing palette. The contour and bronzing palette. It looks really cute and it's a cream base. So we're definitely gonna try that out and add it to the makeup routine to see like how it turns out. And let's see. I started off with I got me another concealer in the color medium beige from Ruby Kisses as well, because I was running low on it, and this one really matches my skin tone. So I was like, why not? Let's get it. Now this, I'm not entirely sure what this product does, but it said it was a 3-in-1. So I wanted to try it out myself and see, will it enhance my makeup routine or what will it do for me? So it's the Ruby Kisses Glowy Skin Filter. It's a 3-in-1 primer, highlighter, and skin tint. So I do know that this could take place of a foundation. And they also had other shades, darker shades, but I just choose to go with the one that's closer to my skin tone. And I thought that was like really cute. Ruby Kisses again with the lip oil. This is my favorite lip gloss. For some reason, like sometimes my lips can be like really sensitive when it comes to certain lip glosses. So I try to buy some, you know, I switch them out. But this one has been my holy grail, and I've been using this one probably since I was in high school. Now for the lip combos. So for the lip combos, we have mind you, all of these things are affordable. I did spend $72, but I got a lot of things. So we got the Ruby Kisses Butter Gloss in the shade Bubble Pop. So it's gonna be a little pink. This is a fun thing about me. I don't really like colors. I only go for like blues and browns. So this will be my first time like really dibbling, dabbling, trying different colors and different everything, okay? Makeup, this is new for me. But yes, Bubble Pop and the color in Ruby Kisses. And then I also got me another like a version, because this is my favorite lip gloss from Ruby Kisses too. And it's like a dupe for NYX, and it's really affordable as well. I think it was like $3.99 a piece. And then I got another shade. I actually didn't really pay attention to this one when I picked it up, but it looks really pretty. It has glitter in it, and it's called Pillow Talk. Cause you know these people out here pillow talking, and you really gonna look good if you got pillow talk like that. But anyways, this is Pillow Talk. It's like a brown, glittery, bronzy type of lip. So I'm going to try that out too. And then I got the NYX lip pencil in the color brown. I have a lot of brown lip pencils, but I just wanted to start fresh with this video, so I went and bought another one. And then last but not least, one more shade of brown. Well, it's not even brown. It's like a pinkish maroon dark red. It's called the Cabaret Baby. Yeah, this is called the Cabaret. So this is really cute. I'm gonna try it out, and I'm gonna mix up all of the different shades, and we're gonna see what we come up with. All right, you guys, we are back with the first lip combo, and I am going to try the NYX in the color Cabaret. I'm gonna be bold, and I'm gonna try a new color. So we're just gonna see how it turns out. Okay, so this here is the color. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. So let's try it. So only using the colors that I have, I'm gonna go in with the what's this? The Bubble Pop and the Ruby Kisses, and we're gonna try it and see what it turns out. Alright, so I'm gonna go in. Okay, this is a really cute color. Oh, this is pretty. Alright, you guys, this is the first lip combo, and I'm not gonna lie, this is definitely bringing me out of my comfort zone, but this is what it's giving. It's like a very pink, it's giving like Nikki, like it's different. It's definitely would have to be something that I would have to get used to, but it's not a bad lip combo. I would probably mix this with like a brown, but we're just gonna only use the supplies that I have now. So as I said, if you want to achieve this one, it is the color Cabaret for the lip liner, and then you're going to go in with Bubble Pop for Ruby Kisses. So for the second lip combo, I'm going to go in with the classic brown NYX lip liner, and I'm going to try Pillow Talk. I think this brown and Pillow Talk will go together really good. So I'm gonna see like how it turns out. So this is what the brown looks like, and then I'm just gonna go in with the color. All right, so this is what the color looks like, and I'm just gonna go in with it. And yeah, like I was saying, this one is like, okay, this one is really light. Okay, so this is what the brown NYX lip liner looks like, and I'm going to go in with Pillow Talk. I'm kind of excited about this one because it may turn into my favorite one, so we're going to try it out and we're going to see if I like it. Okay, y'all, so I'm not even gonna lie, this one gives like very natural, like it's really pretty, and I love it. It's giving like a natural brown glossy look. Like this is really pretty. I'm just gonna go in and add some more because I like a little extra, okay? But oh my gosh, like this one is really cutesy. Like I will wear this one like every day. This is really pretty. I really like this. So I give this one a 10 out of 10. So pretty, so cutesy. All right, and for this next one, I'm gonna go back in with the brown, with the Cabaret. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go in with the Cabaret in my favorite like a version. And you know what? Just to spice things up, I'm gonna add a little bit of Pillow Talk in there. We're gonna see how it turns out. This is the third one. I did a mixture of Cabaret, Praline, Pillow Talk, and what was the other one, you guys? Baby Doll. So I did a mixture of those. It kind of looks similar to the first one, but it gives off like a different color. It's very cute. I kind of really cute in pink. Like if y'all can tell, pink is my favorite color by the way. But yes, like this one is really pretty too. So Okay, so this next one is probably gonna far by be my best one because it's my go-to. I'm gonna go with the NYX brown lip liner, lip oil, and I'm going to go in with like a version, like this is my typical go-to lip combo. Sometimes I have a darker brown, but since we're only using these products, this is what I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah. You guys, so this is the final lip combo. This is the brown with the like a virgin, and I put a little bit of lip oil on top of here. This typically, I know I said earlier it was my typical go-to, but the lip liner that I brought is very light. I usually go in with a darker lip, but I'm not even gonna lie, like this is tea. Like I like it too. I think this one is really pretty, really cutesy. Like this could be like an everyday lip as well, but like I said, it's really cute. So yeah, I rate this one 7.5 out of 10. All right, you guys, so I am back, and this is the final lip combo. This is typically my everyday go-to lip combo, and to achieve this look, I went in with the same products. I went in with the Ruby Kisses lip oil first. That's my little trick. Like I go in with my lip gloss first and then I line my lips. I just feel like it blends better and it looks better that way. Now I did cheat a little bit, well not really, but I did. I used this brown eyeliner. This is also from the beauty supply store, and I think it was like maybe like $2. And I would and I go in with the lip liner over the lip gloss to achieve this look. And I tried out my new color. I did the Pillow Talking first towards the bottom lip, and then I went over the top lip with like a virgin, and I blended it out. And as you can see, this is the lip. This is tea. This is what I go to. This is what I do when I do a full face. Like it's giving everything it's supposed to have gave. But yes, so this is the end of my beauty supply store haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that you guys can tune in and go to your local beauty supply store and buy some of these products too. You don't need very expensive stuff to get a bomb lip combo. So yes, thank you guys for watching. It's your girl Char Creates.